ओए होए जवानी ले डूबी, ओए होए जवानी ले डूबी, ओए होए जवानी ले डूबी, ओए होए जवानी ले डूबी.
Are you ready to talk about the truths that don't make it to the red carpets or anywhere else?
Literally, life changed like this. So, being a housewife, 6 months later, being introduced on the biggest platforms in the world by Shah Rukh Khan.
If you had to perform at your ex's wedding, what song will it be?
यहाँ पर FIRs ऐसे लगती हैं एज इफ मतलब फ्री में बट रही. दैट अगर आपकी शादी हो गई है, आपके बच्चे हो गए हैं, तो आप कोई अबला नारी नहीं हो गई.
Welcome to Bang powered by Secret Temptation and in association with Type Beauty. Today's guest didn't just give us songs. She gave us a national anthem for the girls who glow up after a heartbreak. From singing bhajans in Lucknow, oh my god, that is crazy, to becoming the queen of Bollywood bangers, from early marriage and motherhood to owning the stage on her own terms. She's bold, she's bougie, she's backsold controversies and bounced back even louder every time. The voice behind Baby Doll, the icon behind Chittiya Kalaiya, and the vibe behind half of your Instagram's audio. Please welcome the glamorous, the fearless, the iconic Kanika Kapoor.
Yay! Hi guys.
Before we open your Bang file, I have an important question.
I'm ready to be Urfified.
Urfified. Kanika is ready to be Urfified and I'm ready to do something. Let's ask her the most important question. If you had to perform at your ex's wedding, what song will it be?
ये दुनिया पित्तल दी, ये दुनिया पित्तल दी. ओ बेबी टाल मैं सोने दी, ओ बेबी टाल मैं सोने दी.
That's like without auto tune. That's fucking amazing. I can't even sing in the bathroom because I'm so embarrassed. My voice is shitty. Are you ready to talk about the truths that don't make it to the red carpets or anywhere else?
I mean, I can be as candid as you want, but I have opinions. I am judgmental, but I don't want to disrespect anybody, and I don't want anyone to feel that, oh, ये अपने आप को क्या समझती है? She's so judgmental and she's so like, why is she putting us down? मैं किसी के कपड़े नहीं उतारना चाहती. I mean, this is our Lucknow language.
So basically, you're saying you're opinionated, but you're not बदतमीज, which is fair.
हाँ, मतलब थोड़ी शर्म तो बाकी है.
हाँ, मेरे अंदर भी मतलब मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा opinionated हूँ. And
I mean, see, actually हर इंसान दुनिया में opinionated है.
but not everyone voices their opinion.
They don't, because they want to try and be like, oh, we are such good girls and we are so good and we are so proper and we don't talk about anybody and all of that. But they are the ones who really go out there and.
Who are the ones, Kanika? So you have experienced such people in Bollywood or...
I told you I started that ye duniya pittal di. You know what that means, right? Pittal is, it changes colors.
Okay, that's what it meant. I had no idea.
Yes, that's what it means. So obviously जब मैं कुमार जी के साथ मैं बैठ कर गाना सीखी तो मैंने कहा ये what do you mean by ये दुनिया पित्तल दी? She said with पीतल जो है that changes color. उसका कलर बदलता है. और मैं बेबी डॉल हूँ सोने दी, I'm pure. मैं कलर नहीं बदलती.
This is a revelation for me and for the people out there.
I think that's why the song became a super hit. I think people relate to the song because सारी दुनिया को ऐसा लगता है कि भाई ये दुनिया पीतल की है, रंग बदलती है और मैं सोने की बनी हूँ.
I just
प्योर हूँ.
पीतल मतलब you know Sona is more expensive, so it meant like, oh, I'm more expensive.
No, I don't change color. ये दुनिया पित्तल दी, baby doll मैं सोने दी. I'm who I am. I'm like Urfi.
Yeah, you are very, by the way, I think now I've spoken to you for quite some time. I think you're very, I don't know, there's this thing in you that हो गया मैंने जितना करना था past में मतलब I've been दबाउड a lot. Now I just want to speak my mind.
Yeah, I mean, look, everybody's got their own ways of doing things and परवरिश लखनऊ में हुई है.
Both are from Lucknow.
Yeah.
Lucknow girls.
And you know, मेरी माँ ने तो मुझे बोला कि थोड़ा सा elegantly रहो और कोई जरूरत नहीं है कुछ बोलने की, चुप रहो.
So you belong to an affluent Lucknow family.
No, I belong to a very middle class business family, a very happy family. and a big joint family, and आज भी वो joint ही है.
They all live together and used to live.
We all lived together when I was a kid. अब भाग रहा है. सब बच्चों की शादियां हो गई हैं, सब कोई अमेरिका चला गया. यहाँ तो यही होता था हर घर में, कोई कनाडा, कोई अमेरिका, यूएस. I mean, बिजनेस आज भी मेरे चाचा पापा का साथ ही में है और बनती है. मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कैसे बनती है.
They're still like together.
Yeah.
Together.
Yeah.
जॉइंट फैमिली. अरे इज्जत का बहुत वो रहता है ना कि इज्जत चली जाएगी, कुछ भी करोगे तो ये नहीं होगा. You got married at like 17, 18.
I was engaged at 17 when I got married for the first time, and 18, literally I turned 18 and I was married.
Why? Like घर वालों ने करवा दिया और वो why marriage?
अब मैं अपने माँ बाप को और घर वालों को ब्लेम नहीं करूंगी, बट ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि वो डरते थे कि ये बॉलीवुड में ना चली जाए.
Because you told it.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, मैं छोटे से I was quite interested in,
You know, नाचना गाना. Yeah.
बट शादी हुई और मुझे बोला गया ये नाचने गाने वाली नहीं बनना.
But they were not very. Even though
I mean, सबकी अपनी अपनी सोच होती है, एंड यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट उनकी सोच क्या है.
honestly I feel that's a very outdated thing कि सबकी अपनी अपनी सोच
है इसमें आउटडेटेड क्या है?
अभी ना the world is moving at a very fast pace.
बट ये मैं 20 साल पहले की बात बता रही हूँ.
अब 20 साल पहले ठीक है बट तब भी मुझे लगता था कि बहुत तेजी से दुनिया जा रही है. You have to move along with it, man. I feel bad for people who have destroyed their lives thinking कि फैमिली की इज्जत ना चली जाए, लोग क्या कहेंगे. They are living such weird life, good के honestly I can never imagine.
No, I know a lot of that also. I mean, मेरी बहुत सी ऐसी friends हैं that
That still live that life.
they are very unhappy, but there's nothing that they can do. So they are conditioned कि we have to be good girls and we have to do what is the norm, basically.
मतलब conditioning मेरे तो कभी हुई नहीं भाई. When I was brought up in a very conservative family, I just couldn't take this thought. I was like, I cannot do this anymore. But how was it being married at 18 and just having 3 kids? So what age did your kids were born? Like how young?
No, I mean, before 25, I had 3 kids.
How was it? How did you manage?
I don't know.
How did you do?
How did my mother manage? I think she had the sleepless nights. I was a kid.
Yeah, exactly.
And I feel like when I used to look at these babies, it's all like a dream. I love them. They are my best friends. And we are growing up together. And I hate to say this, and I think a lot of people will not like what I'm saying, but I feel like my teenage daughter and me were crushing together at some point.
Whoa.
It's awful what I'm saying.
It is not awful at all.
I mean, with different people, not the same guy, but you know what I mean. It's sick. That's how young we were.
You guys are practically, you don't have a lot of difference, and I think it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. You're
No, and I almost feel like she would be in her room, and I know she's secretly chatting with a guy, and she wouldn't tell me. She's a little girl, and then there's a mother who's in the other room. She's also chatting with somebody, and I mean, it was a moment, and we both realized that we're both chatting with somebody. It was quite an awkward moment between a mother and daughter.
You guys ever discussed it? You guys ever
Of course, we did later, and we laugh about it, but it was a very awkward moment that a teenage daughter and a mother are both crushing, and we have similar feelings.
It's a very Western way to do this.
Yeah, but अगर आप इंडिया में ये करो तो ये मतलब ये तो शर्म वाली बात है. क्या बोल रही हो?
ये क्या बोल रही है इतनी. Even my mother, she's of course not with her husband. So जब हम भी बोलते हैं ना कि you should start dating, she says हाँ बदतमीज कैसी बातें कर रही है. It's typical Indian mentality, but I just feel like do what the fuck you want to do.
Why not? I mean, why should she not be able to date and live a life?
Yes.
Who's made these rules?
But as you said, conditioning. उनकी conditioning ऐसी हो गई है कि अभी तो नहीं हो सकता है. Now it's just most Indian women, even if they get separated or the husband dies, even at 35, they will never date, not even get married again because it's just conditioning, I feel. ठीक है. Do you discuss your dating life with your daughter now, or does she discuss her?
I mean, I'm married. I'm very happily married for the second time. But yeah, and my daughter and I discuss because she relates to it. She relates to relationships, and I think what is good that वो मेरी गलतियों से सीख रही. But I'm not the mother who will go and delegate and run her life because सबकी feelings, सबकी upbringing बहुत अलग है.
बहुत. It's and especially they.
मेरी upbringing बहुत ही conservative थी. मेरी बेटी की upbringing is conservative in its own way, but I've taught her to be. But good values. भाई moral क्या होता है वो आपके अंदर है. And I tell her that भाई किसी को cheat मत करो, गलत काम मत करो. वो मुझसे पूछती है अच्छा मम्मी गलत काम होता क्या है?
That's a good question, actually. She has a very modern upbringing than you, of course, because she's been born and brought up in
I mean, it's not
London.
she, it's they.
They, all of them.
I have 2 daughters.
2 daughters and 1 son.
Yeah.
Yeah. How is your relationship with your son?
It's good. I think he's a little bit more.
He's the youngest, right?
Well, no, he's the oldest.
He's the oldest?
Yeah.
Oh, and then to
So he's a little bit more elegant and he's शांत है.
he's quiet. And they like your husband now.
थोड़ा scandalize हो जाता है कि you know
He's scandalized by you.
क्या कर रही है.
No, but I have never seen you in any controversy or anything like that.
Really?
Once,
Only once. Okay.
only once, and I wouldn't say that was a controversy.
Yeah, I've never put myself because actually I was very conscious कि मैं अपने माँ बाप और अपने बच्चों को
उस position पे ना डालो.
yeah, like I'm very straightforward and just focused with.
I think that COVID thing, that controversy that happened, that Kanika COVID लेके आ गई यहाँ
वो
पे.
क्या बकवास.
That was.
I mean, I didn't do that.
अरे but
It was a media trial. Media मैंने आप ही कहानियाँ बना दी तो मैं क्या करूँ?
it was very shaky, honestly. कि you got the COVID to Mumbai. You came from a party
No,
from
not even Mumbai. I was in Lucknow.
Lucknow.
I took it to Lucknow and पता नहीं है क्या
You were
एयरपोर्ट के बाथरूम की खिड़की से कूदकर कनिका कपूर आई. मतलब सनसनी खबर फैलाई. And I mean, I was sad, but I was laughing कि ये बोल क्या रहे हैं.
did you jump off the window?
No. Yeah, there's grills, you know. I mean, we are in a Modi era of our lives. It's a very safe era. I like to say that. I mean, I love Modi and I love what he's done for our country. So for the media to think कि भाई हमारे एयरपोर्ट्स के बाथरूम में ग्रिल नहीं होंगे और हम कूद के निकल सकते हैं वो बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Honestly, at that time, everyone was so खाली क्योंकि किसी को काम पे जाना नहीं था. And Indian news channels are like that. So that was just weird. Like I was in Lucknow and I heard that news and I was like, what is happening? मतलब, and I knew everyone is traveling. It's just not you जो COVID फैला रहा है. And then later on, of course, people.
मुझको पता नहीं कि मुझे कोविड हुआ भी था या नहीं.
You still don't know that you.
Because I have the hospital report and it says Kanika Kapoor and my age is wrong and it says male. I have it here. I can show you.
No.
It says Kanika Kapoor and it's in the report. It is that for me. Yeah, it's male and my age is also very different.
So you still don't know जो accusations लगे थे वो अच्छे थे. Now you look back and you must be like क्या चुतिया बना.
It was very bad. Literally अब तो मेरे ख्याल से ऐसा होता है कि रात गई बात गई.
Yeah. It's nothing.
मुझे ही याद नहीं है.
Same. I think हम अपने दिमाग में वो चीज़ इतनी बड़ी बना लेते हैं and we think it's over, but it's really not.
No.
People forget. That's the thing about good parts also in your life. If you're famous right now, if you're relevant right now, it will not last forever unless you keep doing it.
Nothing is forever. Our skin's not going to be like this.
Your skin is amazing, by the way. It is. I wish you guys could see her skin right now. It is outstanding.
Really?
Yeah.
But is it about glue? I mean, what is it about the skin? Maybe that's the makeup.
No, your skin is. I can see your hands also. What are you saying, girl? Stop. She's being modest. Coming back to being a mother. You were a single mother for a very long time, a decade. How was the experience of managing being a single mother and also your career? I think.
A lot of guilt.
Guilt?
So much guilt.
Why?
Because you're torn between going to work and making money when you need it.
And I think that's when you started also.
And your children not thinking that अरे you've abandoned them. Because I think my children did think that अरे मेरी माँ तो मुझे लंदन में छोड़ के इंडिया चली गई.
They thought like that?
Yeah, they didn't think, they were told. But it's now when they've grown up and even today, you know, I think somewhere in their hearts, maybe my youngest child, they've asked me these questions. We've addressed each other and we've addressed each other multiple times, not once. That देखो तुम्हारी माँ तुमको ऐसी छोड़ के नहीं चली गई थी, वो उसको काम ही एक दूसरी country में मिला.
There were people taking care of.
Yeah, my mom was there and then later on, you know, their dad.
Their father was there. Yeah.
Their father was there.
Why are men not labeled like, you know?
But he's been a very good father, I have to say.
He's a good father.
He's been,
Was he a good husband?
when he was the husband, he was a good husband.
Okay. Then हमारे
What is the definition of a good husband?
I have been in relationships, but I don't know. I think mostly it's my fault that I'm not able to carry them.
Yeah.
But what do you think is the definition of a good husband for a working woman?
I have no idea.
No idea.
Definition है ही नहीं.
You don't think so? There's anything?
I think that that's my thinking today as a girl who's seen enough and has been through highs and lows and highs and has seen a very simple life and has seen a very high life. I've seen all kinds of people around the world. अब मेरे हर तरीके के दोस्त हैं. मुझे लगता है that कोई definition ही नहीं है.
For being a good husband or a partner.
A good husband, partner, boyfriend, even good friendship. Every relationship has complications because हम human beings ही इतने complex हैं तो and सबको लगता है कि वो सही है उन्होंने जैसे बोला. Sometimes you don't see कि आप कैसे बात कर रहे हो. I could be talking to you and I may come across as very arrogant. But maybe I think I'm so good and I'm so pure and pious.
But I think we all need to become a bit self-aware. That is one quality which I keep looking in people who are self-aware. For me, self-awareness is knowing that everyone is different.
Yeah.
We are not the same and you have to accept the other person as it is or make your decisions.
You cannot change the thinking of the person in front of you or the person you marry or the person you are born to
Yeah,
or the person you give birth to. You cannot change anyone's thinking. You have to learn कि भाई हम अपने में स्थिर रहें. जो reaction आपके बच्चे आपको दे रहे हैं, आपके माँ बाप आपको दे रहे हैं, आपके husband आपको दे रहे हैं, वो उनकी upbringing है, उनकी अगली cooking है. That's how they are.
Anyone who has given you a hard time in the industry?
Everybody.
I also want to ask you, where did it start? I know that you did a song that got really viral, but you were not paid for it. In some of your,
I don't think any singer is really paid for songs in this industry. In India,
they don't.
It's only now maybe some independent music, but I don't know if
They don't pay you.
not me. I'm just there talking.
No, everyone. They don't pay the singers.
No, singers don't really get paid. मैं सारे contracts दिखाती हूँ 101 रुपए मिले हैं. They say that they're doing you a favor.
How?
I mean, I can talk to you about the greatest singer of India.
Who?
I'm not going to give names, but it's very obvious. I don't think that even
He gets paid.
he's been paid for most of his greatest songs ever.
Then
Or
how-
has any publishing or has any royalty structure. There is nothing like that in India today.
But how do you guys make money then? Why? How?
Only if you are alive and you're able to sing. अगर आपकी आवाज चल रही है और आप shows कर पा रहे हैं, आप में शर्म नहीं है, आप shows कर रहे हैं. जब तक आप shows कर रहे हैं, तब तक आपको पैसे मिलेंगे. अगर कल को किसी को कुछ हो जाए तो कोई pension plan नहीं है singers के लिए.
I thought you guys get paid like in lakhs for the songs you
Nothing.
sing.
101 रुपए मिलते हैं.
I mean, at least you are a noted. मतलब
मैं अपनी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं सबके contracts तो देखे नहीं है, but अब मैं अपनी
And you also been cheated. मतलब like something like that happened. I read long back एक interview था. I think in Hindustan Times or something. You said something about that composer. कि yeah, he did not tell you that he's re-releasing the song and didn't bother paying you or something like
a
that.
lot of songs. I mean, आज अगर मेरा सबसे बड़ा हिट गाना अगर उसको का रीमेक करेंगे तो आई हैव नो कंट्रोल कि उसमें क्या सिंगर होगा, क्या कंपोजर होगा और मेरा नाम भी उसमें होगा या नहीं.
And do you feel like this is right, wrong?
Well, look,
Could change.
at this stage in my life,
Yeah.
I don't want to fight something that I can't, and I'm not a fighter like that. I don't take.
Okay. You're
I
just,
can't be bothered.
yeah, you're just like unbothered. You're like,
I'm actually not so bothered, but I feel and I believe in karma. Maybe you don't. अभी 10 साल के बाद बात करेंगे, but मुझे लगता है that what goes around comes around. Everyone has to pay their price. Yeah.
sometimes I feel like if I make them pay the price, it's
How?
For the best.
You spend your whole life making somebody stupid pay their price.
I am very revengeful. Like if you do me wrong, immediately तो अगर उस टाइम मुझे गुस्सा है तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही देती हूँ. Right wrong फिर मैं बाद में देखती हूँ. Then I realize after 2 years कि अरे यार क्या बकचोदी कर दी थी मैंने. Shit man. But ऐसा कभी किसी ने किया है in the industry. They're like you like.
Thing is, and मैं सिर्फ अपनी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. I feel कि अगर आप किसी भी आर्टिस्ट के साथ, किसी एक्टर के साथ, किसी भी बडिंग एक्टर के साथ, मैं बोल रही हूँ 95% एक्ट्रेसेस को बैठा लीजिए, 95% सिंगर्स को बैठा लीजिए, सब एक ही बात बताएंगे. There's nothing different. It's very sad. I wish that there was a constitution in our country that gave a structured life to
The artist.
to an artist.
And it's not there.
It's not that.
And as a woman, is it more difficult?
It's very difficult. As a woman, I mean, I can tell you something very personal that I had a chat with my manager. And I asked him, I said, मेरी level का जो male singer है, उसको मुझसे 3 गुने ज़्यादा पैसे क्यों offer होते हैं?
What do you
Same level का. He said, you know, Panika, I'm against it. He's against it. But he's like, this is how it is. He said, singers in the country who are girls and women, they don't get much offered because, मैं तो मैंने कहा, क्यों? But why? So he said, maybe, you know, people feel that उनमें वो एनर्जी नहीं है जो एक आदमी में है. मतलब ये एक इंडियन थिंकिंग है. बट मुझे लगता है that ये धीरे धीरे चेंज होगी.
I think it is very important for women to have a voice and say things. And I think it's important to be a feminist as well, because if we want those rights, we have to voice our opinions. I'm a big feminist. I do not believe men and women are equal. I believe women are way better.
I don't think we have equal rights in this country.
No, we don't. Not in this country. We don't. Out of the country.
But I hope and I have hope with our present government that they will help us. I think things are changing.
I just think it's a very time-sensitive issue.
I think women are getting more opportunity.
Yes.
They are getting freedom of speech. They are getting more security. So hopefully, I think things will change.
So, अब जब हम bunk ही कर रहे हैं तो I want to ask you about your bunk experiences. Did you go to a college because you were married at 18, or just school?
I got married and in London I studied for 2 years.
School में कभी bunk किया?
Of course.
Oh, tell us about it. Like you were like a studious student or not a student?
Actually, I've never spoken about this before.
I want to know
It's a story that really changed my life. It crafted my life.
what happened.
I used to study in this very, very famous and posh school of Lucknow called Loreto Convent.
Oh, it's where all the posh girls go. Yeah, it's an all-girls school. Yeah, I know. Of course,
Obviously, we spoke in English.
Loreto girls are very.
And we think in English, if that makes any sense.
I know Loreto girls. They used to think they're above us because I was in City
Darling,
University.
it's Loreto.
Oh, sorry. As I said, Loreto. I'm so sorry. Ossia. Thank God I was never there. So what happened?
Where did you study?
CMS यार. It was good यार. उतनी अंग्रेजी नहीं सिखाते थे हमें, but अभी सिखा रहे हैं. But उस टाइम पे it was very.
Mr. Gandhi चलाते थे CA.
Yeah, जय जगत. So हम मेरे स्कूल में we never used to say good morning. We used to say Jai Jagat, ma'am, like that.
I mean, I don't want to be quoted for this, and I think Loreto might come back and like slap me, but we used to get demerits if we spoke in Hindi. अगर if we were caught speaking in Hindi.
Demerits.
Yes, हमारे यहाँ क्लासरूम में चार्ट होती थी. अब आज का नहीं पता, but तब की बात बता रही हूँ.
Wow, that.
We were not allowed to speak in Hindi.
Even we were not allowed, but हम तब भी हिंदी में ही बात करते थे.
But why? हम हिंदुस्तान में रहते हैं, हमें हिंदी बोलने में शर्म क्यों आती है?
English medium schools का थोड़ा सा उस टाइम पे मेरे टाइम पे भी था.
Well, I did love the school, and I think I have great memories because I remember that I started bunking classes with a few of my friends.
Wow, bang.
And I think I was bunking like a Sanskrit class or something boring like that, जिसके लिए क्लास छोड़ के हमें नीचे हॉल में जाना पड़ता था.
Oh, bunk मतलब you didn't leave the school premises.
No, obviously not.
Oh, I thought you bunk मतलब पिक्चर देखने चले गए.
नहीं, अब ये इतनी हमारी हिम्मत नहीं थी.
Oh, you know.
मतलब हम बंकिंग क्लासेस मतलब हम अपने क्लासरूम में ही रह जाते थे और जाते नहीं थे. एक्चुअली हम वहाँ पर अपना सर रख के सो जाते या फिर एक्स्ट्रा टिफिन होता था या वो खाते थे. Like all that nonsense. For doing that, there was a girl who went and reported that these few girls are bunking classes.
ये बड़ी कुतियाँ होती हैं जो जाके बता देते.
And I promise you, मैं उसकी भी बहुत बड़ी कहानी है. वो मैं privately बताऊंगी. I have to tell you this. You asked me this. Later I'll tell you.
Please, I want.
बहुत बड़ी कहानी है. She was one of the top prefects and stuff, and almost like bully people like us who were not A-star students. We were B or C, maybe E and D also. And it's okay. It's okay to be an artist and not an A-star student. It's okay.
Completely.
And I was not really interested in
Writing and studying.
and studying so much. I liked singing and dancing and having fun. And at that age, I was suspended from school for bunking classes.
2 weeks because you bunked a class.
Yeah, so they were told that I've bunked multiple classes. I may have bunked like 2-3 times, but it was a class that I was in my class with a couple of my friends, and we would actually just go to sleep or have tiffin or just whatever.
Well, yeah.
We weren't doing anything wrong. We just did not go to the assembly hall for another class, a boring class. I think for me, my life ended over there.
Why?
I was so ashamed to be home. It went around. It was a small society, brought up so conservative in a small, everybody knows everybody up. It's a very big deal for me. I thought my life ended. Then I think I was 13 or 14, 13. I think it took everything away from me. And at that age, I had to go through counseling. I was out of school because I told my parents that I cannot go back to school and face people. So I went into a little shell of my own. And I will never, I should, but I don't think I have forgiven the school for doing that to a little girl and destroying that little girl at such a young age and not giving her a chance to speak just because she didn't know how to speak. But it's because of that, I went into a smaller school where actually पूरा concentration school में music के ऊपर था. The head teacher of the school was musical. He used to work in Doordarshan and All India Radio. He was a head of that and he used to work. So the school was very, very heavy in art and music and dancing and,
So that was a good change. Whatever
So for me,
the best.
Kanika Kapoor, the singer, came up in her head because I won an inter-school competition through that. And in my mind, from being a girl who was destroyed by one school, went to another school and was just lifted up so much.
As a singer, just as a person.
For her, whatever she excelled in. That's when I decided I wanted to be a singer.
And that's when your parents decided that no, you can't be a singer.
So my father was okay. My mom was, I don't blame her. She's one of the most supportive mothers ever. But I think she was too scared कि अरे मेरी छोटी सी लड़की अकेले बॉम्बे में क्या होगा उसके साथ. She was fearful and it's okay. I understand.
She was just being protective about you.
That's it, And not just her. I have almost 11 masis and mamas together. Like हम एक नहीं आते, हम सब साथ में आते.
11 masis and mama.
Yeah. And we are all very close. And our cousins, we're all very close.
How many cousins you must be having?
I'm very lucky to have a very large family. And
there must be 50 cousins at least.
I think my whole childhood, हमारी परवरिश ही अपने cousins के साथ ही हुई. हमारे कोई friends ऐसे खास थे नहीं. It was all cousins. I'll show you something really funny. I have a family group called the Jeep Cousins.
The Jeep Cousins where?
Because हम सारे एक ही घर में रहते थे या अगल बगल में रहते थे और हम एक ही जीप में
घूमते थे,
स्कूल जाते थे और वापस आते थे. लड़के जाते थे लमाटने और लड़कियां जाती थी लोरेटो.
And now I want to show you something. Let's show you these oldies. Old is gold. What is happening here? Oh, how old? I think you must be 1.5.
I think 1.
Yeah. And you still have those sparkly blue eyes.
Yeah, the eyes were too big and blue.
Yeah.
I don't know, blonde hair. So it's not fake.
It's, of course, no one says that. You're too cute as a child. Wow. And that's your
Ma.
That's your mother? You look very cute. What is happening here? Do you know? Does your mom talk about it?
I don't exactly remember, but I think it may have been during my chacha's wedding.
Oh, that's wow. Okay.
Oh, these are my cousins, Akshay, Ankit, and Sonam.
This is Sonam?
Yeah.
This is
Ankit.
And
Akshay.
And this is you.
Me.
You are dressed like a boy.
Yeah, I had a little boy cut because everybody had boy cuts, so I wanted to be a boy.
Oh, wow.
So
yeah, I couldn't even
many times during my childhood, I had a boy cut because I wished for it, apparently.
You wished for it?
My mother would put 100 bows in my hair and,
I wouldn't want it.
But I wanted to be a boy.
मुझे तो जबरदस्ती करा दिया जाता था.
See, I had boy cuts many stages of my...
You were so cute and pretty. You must be getting a lot of attention in school though. Because of your blue eyes.
No, it was a convent, so... बाहर लड़कियां घूमते थे.
Yeah, come on. Guys must be...
My mom was very strict. हम स्कूल से घर जाते थे और घर से मिस्टर मैकफार्लन के ट्यूशन में जाना होता था, तो वहाँ पर भी a maid used to go with us to make sure that we are straight there and straight back. आंखें दिखाती थी मेरी माँ. That सीधे जाना और सीधे आना.
Because I can imagine in Lucknow.
कहाँ लखनऊ में कौन?
Guys must be hitting on you. Oh my God, please, come on.
इतनी चांस नहीं मिली हम लोग को. बाहर पार्टी जाना अलाउड नहीं था. I couldn't leave really the house. My mom and dad didn't allow me to go out and alone, never.
Never.
My dad.
That's your dad. Oh, wow. He looks smart. And you're just having fun. Where is this?
He's a very handsome man, even now.
No.
Yeah.
This is in Lucknow?
No, must be one of our vacations, maybe Badrinath, Kedarnath types.
Oh. I can totally see myself hitting on you if you were a singer. I can say that. ज़्यादा हो गया.
God, actually, a lot of girls hit on me.
Because girls can see it. You are so pretty. Like, it's difficult to like sit next to her. I'm gonna look bad.
But I'm not into that. I'm into other things.
Into other things, matlab?
Just shit.
I mean, it's up to the viewers to decide now. Wow, I like it. अब इसी बात पे let's come to our next segment, which is called secret shots. Either you answer my question or you have those shots. Are you ready?
Okay, I'll say. I'll say it as it is. If I can't say it,
Then you have to take the shot. So I'm going to take you on this wild ride we called Secret Shots by Secret Temptations. Is the segment where the bunk bell rings and the besharmi begins.
Besharmi.
Yeah, you have to be besharam for this.
But why? I'm not besharam at all.
मैं थोड़ी सी हूँ तो मैं थोड़ा सा लोगों को
I have to get urfi-fied.
Yes, you have to get urfi-fied because you're bunking with me. Ever had a friendship fallout in the industry that still stings?
Darling, I don't do processed food.
Oh, but कुछ तो कभी process खा लिया होगा फिर उल्टी आ गई होगी.
तो उल्टी आई सिस्टम से निकल गया खत.
But who? That's the question. Who? Come on.
ऐसे भी खास लोग नहीं.
Someone, maybe okay, like some actor or someone famous that we know.
There was an actor,
Male or female?
male, obviously male,
Male.
and you know when he met me, he was all very nice and whatever, sweet and very decent, like so pure. And then he would just send me weird messages on Instagram, and then like it was a bit confusing.
Like just like flirt.
But इतनी flirty भी नहीं, मतलब very awkward, creepy messages.
Yeah, creepy man. Have you ever received dick pictures?
Yeah,
Oh, welcome to the club.
and I was like,
Did he send you a dick picture? No.
I don't remember, but maybe on Snapchat he tried. And I blocked. I was like, I freaked out. I said, ये क्या हो रहा है? I mean, ये दुनिया पित्तल दी.
Baby doll में सोने दी and his dick was not even pittal, right?
I mean, we cannot talk about this right now. This is not happening. I have children and parents looking at this.
But that's the guy's fault. Unsolicited
You know,
dick
but
pictures.
yeah, I that's what happened. Yeah. So no, I can't have to do it.
No, your answer was okay. During the COVID drama, do you think you were unfairly villainized or was
For
it?
sure.
You think, or was
I was not the villain at all. I thought I had COVID because I stayed home with my grandmother who was, 92, 93 years old. I called up my friend who worked at the hospital. I told them to get me tested. They did not even have tests. By the time they tested me 4-5 days later and it came positive, which it's a big question mark.
it was
because-
male? Yeah, you told us.
because even the test report, it's an official report. It says Kanika Kapoor, 27-year-old male, and I'm not 27 and I'm not male. So I was absolutely fine when I was taken to hospital. 16 days I was kept there and I was absolutely fine. And there were stories that मरी जा रही है, oxygen चाहिए, helicopter से लेके जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या. I mean, they finished me off.
That's just crazy.
Not just me, they troubled my parents. I had death threats. But it was a media trial. Media was very unfair.
That's how it is, you know. उगते सूरज को सलाम. नहीं तो bye bye.
Literally, that I didn't even do anything. वो उसने ये पार्टियां थ्रो करी इन नफरियों के साथ. I mean, where?
Which where? I mean, name a celebrity who was super sweet on screen, but not so sweet off screen.
I can't.
Come on, give us a
But
hint. Yeah.
okay, I can tell you, he's very obvious. He's a very obvious guy.
Obvious, matlab, what is he an actor? Like
No, he's not an actor.
Mika Singh.
He's not an actor. He's not an actor. He's not a singer.
फिर क्या है?
But he's very sweet on screen. I mean, he's sarcastic also, but he puts himself very.
Ori.
No, Ori is a darling.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Ori is how he is, and that's why he's Ori.
Name is super sweet. He's not an actor. He's not a singer. Then
He's
what,
not an influencer.
then what is he?
I can't say it.
Is he a real human being?
Yeah.
Not an actor.
He's one of the most popular guys.
Popular without being an actor, without being a singer.
बड़े सारे brands हैं उसके पास.
Cricketer.
Cricketer भी नहीं है.
Okay. Oh, Karan Johar.
मैं किसी का नाम नहीं ले रही.
Karan. No, you're not
I'm
saying
gonna
yes.
take it, but I can't speak like this about anybody. I'm just telling you, yes, there are people like that.
Name one actress's surgery you think did more harm than glam. Come on, this is so.
I think all
Right now, yeah, they all have like
the surgeries are gone wrong. I mean, they can't move.
most of them have that pillow face. I think it's not surgery; it's a lot of filler and Botox.
I feel that, and I'm sure that people will look at me and turn around and say, "Arey, isne
No,
pata nahi kya kya kara hai." But Indian women have a certain look. Lebanese women have a certain look.
yeah.
Middle Eastern women have a certain look. You cannot look like each other. Now everybody looks the same and they want to look like this.
Yeah, but have you ever gotten anything Botox, fillers, ever?
Well, let's not talk about it. No, I've not had fillers and all that, but I've done. I do laser treatments because, as you get a little bit older, you can have a bit of pigmentation being in the sun. So I do go to the doctors, but I don't like injectables.
You're
I
not.
like to do more lasers and more
You don't have fillers. I can see.
things. You can tell.
I can like I know fillers and Botox. You don't have fillers.
And actually, the good thing is that the doctors I go to,
Don't you really?
they are the ones who tell me that, Kanika, if you're putting a filler, eventually it's going to be all over. Like, you will mess up your face.
Use of.
So, if you want to keep it natural, and otherwise, आप 5 साल में plastic लगोगे.
I think it's better to have a facelift surgery.
It's okay. I mean, I have wrinkles here. I have things dropping, and it's okay.
Who cares? Yeah, who cares, bitches? What was your last cosmetic?
I love myself.
Imagine the question is also this. मैंने पहले ही पूछ दिया. What was your last cosmetic procedure, even if it was just a little touch-up?
आपकी स्किन सिर्फ ये फिलर्स और बोटॉक्स और डॉक्टर्स नहीं ठीक करते हैं. आपकी स्किन आपका मुंह ठीक करता है. जो आप अपने बॉडी में डालेंगे, इट्स योर गट हेल्थ.
Yeah, that's why important.
So I worked a lot on my intake in terms of what I eat, what I drink, and how much I sleep. And then on top of that, according to my skin structure and my skin texture, I do little, I do lasers. I like face massages, and I do it regularly. Then I also found very, very good quality creams जो मेरी स्किन को सूट
Suit करते. It's all about.
ज़रूरी नहीं है जो मुझे सूट करे वो आपको सूट करे. It can burn your face. Maybe it's too strong for you. So I feel that there are things that have worked for me, and I've figured out a formula what works for me.
Have you figured out the guys that work for you? Which is the next question. Have you ever dated someone your family would be horrified by? Didn't work out for you, your family actually.
No, I mean I've not dated many people, to be honest, and
Not how many people.
now I've been very I'm very happily married to a guy that I've sort of liked for a long time. So I
not
proposed to him. So
You
I
proposed to him.
proposed to him. Yeah.
Wow, that's. Oh.
In fact, I was surprised that he married me.
You were surprised that he. Come on.
Yeah, it's okay. What's wrong in saying that?
Look at you. Who wouldn't want to marry you? Who was the last person you blocked on WhatsApp and what triggered it? This is a good question.
These creepy messages from random people.
But who was it?
No, I can't tell. Also, a young guy,
Young actor.
aspiring actor,
Aspiring. Has he done anything?
famous singer.
He's a singer.
He's a singer.
He's an actor. Aspiring actor.
Trying to be an actor.
Trying to be an actor. Guys,
Um,
more hints. Come on.
good looking.
Yeah, every guy is good looking.
They are not. They're ugly as shit.
Aspiring singer trying to be an actor.
Okay, and
Good looking.
my God,
One more hint. The good
creepy messages. They just freaked me out. I mean, I couldn't take it. I had to block. I just
what?
किसी का नाम कैसे लोगे बेचारे जेल जाइए मैंने बोल दिया.
बिल्कुल जेल नहीं होगी. He deserves it. So, you have to take this.
But I realized that he was not just messaging me creepy things. He was messaging many people.
Okay, I need one more hint for that guy. Come on, just one more hint so that I don't let you.
अरे I said young,
Young-ish. Half of the population in India.
young-ish.
No, that's a hint.
Cute
Yeah.
looking.
Again, no hint.
Has nice good hit songs.
Good hit songs. Singer, trying to become an actor. Good
Trying
hit
to
songs.
become an actor.
Has he done anything yet?
I said tried.
मतलब आया है उसका कुछ काम OTT.
अब ये सब नहीं बोल सकती मैं ज़्यादा.
His name starts with बस what is yeah. Come on, man. But then you have to have a shot.
No, I can't have a shot.
Come on, yeah. You didn't tell us a name, yeah.
पर कितना बोल दिया, इतना कौन बोलता है?
Because what कुछ समझ नहीं आया ज्ञान तो कुछ
इतना कोई बोलता है? मतलब मैंने आज जितना बोल दिया,
यार किसी को समझ आया नहीं
सबको समझ में आया है. कैसे बताऊंगी मैं? इंस्टा बॉलीवुड में आ जाएगा.
चाहिए हमें वो a hit song that you did but you secretly can't stand.
ओए होए जवानी ले डूबी, ओए होए जवानी ले डूबी, ओए होए जवानी ले डूबी, ओए होए जवानी ले डूबी.
So that guy, I think. But it's a good song, yeah. You can't
Every
sing it.
time I want to sing this song, it's a Sajid Wajid song.
Yeah.
I like it. I'm embarrassed about it. And my team refuses. They're like, नहीं नहीं ये नहीं गाना, ये नहीं गाना, ये नहीं गाना.
Why?
बस.
I like this song.
But I said, you know, but this is how I sing and it's okay. Oye hoye jawani le. I mean, it's like
Though yeah, nice.
it's the OG Kanika coming out.
It is. I honestly like the song and I like the way he sang it. What is the one over the top that he did for you?
Everything. He's the sweetest. Like he's quite fun. You have to know him to know, you know.
He's quite fun. You guys do have a lot of fun, it seems, and you seem very much in love.
I told you I proposed to him, so.
So this is the end of our secret shots. और Kanika ने बिल्कुल shots नहीं पिए.
But you've not asked me any questionable questions.
We did ask you and you just didn't answer us, यार.
Urfi, I expected better from you.
पर हम अभी और questionable question पूछते हैं.
Like I'm not scandalized by you.
This was not.
When I came here, I thought today I will go back home and I will be scandalized.
नहीं यार.
Hell.
We are not scandalizing.
But why? That's what I love about you.
I
Urfi is becoming
boring.
not boring, but
थोड़ा less urfi.
she's holding back.
No, not at all. We are just we want to make everyone feel safe in this space. We
No,
want.
I don't want to be safe.
I asked you a name. You didn't give me any name, and then she says she doesn't want to be safe.
leg. I'm pulling your leg.
Okay, next question is: should I ask you? You're not giving us names.
But you never know. I might just give you a very candid, fun answer.
Hints. You're just giving us hints.
But hints सबको दुनिया को पता है इतने कहाँ आर्टिस्ट ही इतने कम है.
young.
बेचारे आधे लोगों को तो गाना ही नहीं आता. फिर भी चले जा रहे हैं, चले जा रहे हैं, चले जा रहे हैं.
अभी okay, we are moving on to our next segment. Now that you have said it, I want to ask you. अभी जो young singers आ रहे हैं, उनमें से who do you think is actually a good singer and who do you think doesn't deserve at all to be there?
सच बता.
Yeah, of course, man. What are you saying, yeah?
सिर्फ शायद 1% आर्टिस्ट लोग दिख रहे हैं उनमें से बता रही हूँ. ऐसे तो बहुत अमेजिंग इनक्रेडिबल सिंगर्स हैं दुनिया में. बट प्रॉब्लम ये है दैट उनके पास पैसा नहीं है अपने आप को आगे लाने का. एंड जिनके पास पैसा है और यू नो द वंस हु हैव द मनी टू ब्रिंग देमसेल्व्स फॉरवर्ड आर द वंस हु आर trying and they are there. They are the ones who are singing the songs.
But who are there? Name one singer you think.
I mean,
Can you
it's all in
deliver?
front of you and me.
अरे but एक तो बता दो.
I wish that there were people who came out, and I wish I'm in a position tomorrow that I can bring
Help
people
people.
from Lucknow who don't have the money, who are incredible singers, to come and shine in front of the world. Because it's just that the credible people and the singers and artists don't have money. आजकल मीडिया वाले मतलब हर चीज़ बिकाऊ है. Everything has to be, you have to buy everything. Today streams are bought.
Yeah.
So if you are rich and you have a lot of money and you're with a company that can afford it,
Then you're there.
then your song वो आपका गाना इतना बजाएंगे. The reason many songs are on the charts is because they are even bought. You can put your song on a top chart of the most credible company or a streaming platform by money, by paying money.
So you started singing bhajans like in Lucknow and now you're literally touring the world. Did you ever think at that time that this level of fame was possible for you?
No.
No?
No. I mean, from the age of 18 till 30, I was a housewife. And I was doing school runs. I was bringing up children. I was a chubby, cute little
Girl.
girl, no clue about life.
Oh God.
And the first stage I got was a world tour with Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika. 3 months into my career, after Baby Doll. I didn't understand, like, what happened to this girl ki Feb mein gaana aaya and September, October, I was on a 6-week tour in America and like ending at O2 in London and having 50,000 people in front of me and Shah Rukh Khan introducing Kanika Kapoor, the new artist of India.
Wait, sorry.
And I remember literally life changed like this. So being a housewife and 6 months later being introduced on the biggest platforms in the world by Shah Rukh Khan. I remember I was shaking.
Wow.
You know, I shaken, like I was trembling on stage. And I remember going backstage after one of the shows and I think it was in Houston or Washington. I was so nervous that I even said, I was in Houston. I said, hello, Washington, you know, and it was, I went backstage and I didn't know how to perform because I'd never done this. And I went backstage and someone very famous on that tour just told me that, you know what, like screamed at me that if you don't know how to do this, just don't do it. Like you're shit, basically.
Someone like an actor screamed at you. You don't give us names, but okay.
One day when my story comes out,
One day.
tell you everything.
One day.
But I think I hated her for doing that
Anyone would.
for a long time and it took a, I was like, what? But now, 10 years later, I think she was right. She was right. She didn't say anything wrong. It's just that she was muffet enough to say it.
Okay. If you say so, you don't hate her for saying what she said.
I did hate her for a long time. But then as years went by, I started realizing that no, I didn't know how to perform. I didn't know how to be an entertainer. And I should learn my job. And I should get better at my job. And I shouldn't have an ego that, oh, मेरा एक गाना हिट हो गया या 2 गाने हिट हो गए और मुझे फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड मिल गया तो मैं पता नहीं कहाँ पहुँच गई. No. The main thing in our career is you have to sustain your career and उसके लिए आपको
You have to keep learning.
रोज मेहनत करनी है, अपने आप को बेटर करना है without having an ego.
I think that's a really good thing that you said because I feel it. Yet you have ego. I still have a lot of ego, but I feel you have to keep bettering yourself.
Yeah, and you should not feel ashamed of it. It's okay.
Kanika, I want to ask you this question. Has anyone ever age shamed you?
Of course, they do it all the time.
Because you started your career after you had 3 kids, which is very unusual for a pop star or a singer on stage. It's not known at all.
I mean, look, the message I'd like to give to the women who follow us and especially women from our country, that अगर आपकी शादी हो गई है, आपके बच्चे हो गए हैं, तो आप कोई अबला नारी नहीं हो गई. As in, you know, you're not some, like life is not over for you. You should be able to work. You should be able to go and live your dream and balance it out. Of course, when I started working, I was named as a bad mother. That, oh, अपने बच्चों को छोड़ के काम कर रही. अरे, काम नहीं करती तो खिलाती कैसे? उनको तो छोड़ो, अपने आप को कैसे खिलाती? So, it's very sad that women, especially in our part of the world, are shamed for age. Of course, I mean, a few years later, I will not forget, and I'm not going to name the person because, again, they're very famous people. But one of the heads of a very, very important music label very happily told me that, you know, Kanika, please understand that you are competing with a 20-year-old and you're not 20. So just wake up. I'm not competing with anybody, but the fact that I'm being told that, listen, sorry, but we cannot invest so much in you. You invest on yourself and do the best you can because we have to concentrate on building younger artists.
Yes.
It's like a thing that in this country, if you are older, if you're married, and if you come across as a mother, to aap auntie ban gaye, arey, now life is over.
Yeah, once you're married and even if you're young and you have kids, people are like auntie.
But it's not like that in the West. I mean, look at a Jennifer Lopez, look at a Beyonce, they are in their 50s. Look at Shakira. I mean, all the ruling women of the world have grown up children. They are rocking the world. I mean, and they are given that stage.
And we have you in India. Come on.
I mean, look, I'm not trying to say I, me, myself, but it could be anybody.
But you are changing.
It could be a singer, actor, influencer, whoever.
No, but you are.
We shouldn't be ashamed, and it's okay to be a mother. It's okay to be a working mother.
Of course, why not? And I'm very happy that you're literally changing the rules, and you are actually encouraging women to have a career even after you have
To dream.
done. Yeah.
Dream. Women should be allowed to dream and live their
Yeah.
dreams. You know, being married and having children doesn't mean that you have to
Just end your career.
end your life.
Here's to dreaming big.
So,
Cheers.
to a short, babe.
Cheers. But you're not having it. I know. Oh! Whoa! Kanika!
It's a Karela shot here.
Okay, I'll also have it because you had it. So now it's time for your report card. Are you excited?
Of course. Let's see the report.
Energy and vibe. Girl, you gave us the vibes, I must say. I think 10 on 10.
Really?
Yeah, your vibe is crazy. The energy is crazy. Outfit chaos. Oh, I like Kanika's outfits in general. I think your dressing sense is really classy and nice. I love all your outfits, whatever you wear.
Thank you.
It is.
Do you follow me
Yeah,
on Instagram?
Yeah, I follow you from ages.
Okay, that's good.
Ages, not from now. Ages. You recently started following me.
Because I love your outfits.
Oh, thank you. So outfit is 10 on 10. Drama queen question. I think I would give you 7 on 10 on drama queen. Confidence level, I think you're very confident. You're literally the, मुझे English में ये word ही नहीं आ रहा. You're the example for people and women who want to work or make it big in this industry. 10 on 10. Charm factor. Oh, look at your blue eyes. Who wouldn't be charmed? Come on. Again.
Blue eyes and fake lashes.
No, but that was very natural, by the way.
Yeah, it is. It is. I mean, it's just a joke, babe.
No,
It's a comment that, you know, like I'm just flicking my fake lashes.
but your lashes look to still killer. Your blue eyes are like distracting me. I've never seen anyone with such blue eyes. It's crazy. Trolling tolerance.
Trolling tolerance.
I think you're way past that time. You're like, abhi you
लोग कहेंगे
Yeah.
का काम है कहना.
I think 9 on 10. Red flag radar. Since she is happily married to the man of her dream, she proposed. So, of course, it's 9 on 10.
Yeah.
I think the report card is.
That's it.
That's it. Okay, report card. You scored literally.
You won't say anything else about me.
No, we are going to speak a lot about you. This was your report card.
Okay, then.
And I think you scored, the average was 9 something.
Not bad. I'll try and become the drama queen. I'll learn.
Drama queen, yeah.
Well,
I'll give you some lessons. You have to just be a bit animated and do.
I need to wear.
From the quiet streets of Lucknow to the loudest dance floors in Bollywood, Kanika Kapoor didn't just sing her way to success, she fought. She felt and she frickin' flew. She showed us what single moms can slay, controversies can be clapped back at, and glam is not just a look. It's a weapon. Thank you, Kanika, for proving that being unapologetically you is the real life topper. You topped my class, you topped Bunk with Urpi. ये थी आज की bunk class जहाँ syllabus optional है but sass compulsory, and Kanika got a lot of sass. This is Bunk with Urpi powered by Secret Temptation in association with Type Beauty. See you next episode. Same bench, more gossip.